So with this year drawing to a close, I thought I would record one last video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mike. If you are a returning viewer, thank you. This will be a pretty quick video. After all, it is officially Lego build day, and I don't want to keep you away from your new Lego too long. I would just like to extend a heartfelt thank you to all of you who joined us on this journey so far, and I promise in the new year to release a few more small town videos and probably a few more with me sitting in front of the camera talking, just like this one. I also have a few more ideas for a new series or two, but I'll keep those ideas under my hat for just now. But I've had a couple of subscribers make some suggestions for a series. I think it's going to be fun and hopefully informative, or maybe just some gratuitous drone shots. But either way, stay tuned. So thank you to everyone who has supported the team here at Gradient Imaging over the past year. We would like to warmly thank our valued clients, suppliers, and friends for your continued support through 2021, and wish you all the best for the year ahead. If you do have any video ideas that you would like me to try and make, or some information that you would like me to research and cover, feel free to let me know. So hopefully your holidays are not too stressful and you got almost all of the things you wished for under the tree. Until next time, happy holidays. Oh, and bye-bye.